So in most cases, you might find the upper part of your Android phone not working. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to access any button which has find itself at the upper part or the top part of your smartphone which is not working. Now mind you, this tutorial is just for Samsung users because that is what I'm using for the tutorial right away. So that is the only thing I know about. So this tutorial is for just Samsung users. So without wasting my time, let's get our phone. Now if you don't have a Samsung phone, you can share this video to any friend who has a Samsung phone and facing the same problem. So you just go to settings on your Samsung phone, you scroll up or you find display. Right away you scroll up again and you tap on home screen. So when you go to home screen, you come down and you see rotate to landscape mode. So immediately you turn on rotate to landscape mode, you will find a button behind or at the right bottom corner of the navigation bar. Immediately you rotate your phone. So here is the button. You can see the little button at the bottom right corner. So all you need to do is to just tap on that small button there and you find the phone screen in the landscape mode. And if you turn it the other way, it's going to follow back. The rotation is going to follow back. All you need to do is just tap on that small icon, that new icon that has been introduced in the navigation bar, so you can access the parts or the buttons that has been affected by this problem at the topmost part of your Android phone. So this is how it looks like. Now this would also affect the home screen. So this is how it looks like if I'm saying it will affect the home screen. This is how it looks like if I'm saying it will affect the home screen. So you can see everything has been rotated. Yes, so this is just a quick way to access anything that has been affected by this. So if you want to get it back to the portrait mode, you just turn the phone this way and tap on that icon. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to share, like, and turn on post notification. Hit the subscribe button as well so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Catch you up in my next episode.